Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 7 update error 80072EFE. First method is type services in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Open Windows Update Service. Change startup type to automatic, stop the service, click Apply, click OK. Open File Explorer. Open C drive, open Windows folder. Open Software Distribution folder. Delete files and folders. Start the Windows Update service. Second method is open browser. Copy link from description and paste it. First find your system type, open File Explorer. Right-click Computer, click Properties. My system type is 64-bit. Click Download. Open downloaded file. Close and restart system. Third method is open browser. Copy second link from description and paste it. Click Download. Open downloaded file. Click Close. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.